Alright, here's my project. I call it Desert Trail. Let's see. It's a ride that accelerates. It's mostly rotation. The base, the sun, and the little pods rotate. Basically, it's just like a giant sun with sand dunes and trees at the bottom. It's supposed to be like a oasis. I know that it's the wrong kind of trees, so it's a fantasy oasis. Um, Initially, those pods weren't like trees coming out of the sun. They were sun or tiny suns, but I didn't like how it looked, so I changed it. Um, yeah, there's smaller dunes at the bottom, along with some trees to fit the top. I'm gonna jump on here, see if I can get on here without flying off. I've had a lot of fun having my character knocked off the side of the screen, trying to jump on here. These pods, they rotate themselves. It's supposed to fit about 4 people in there, and I figured the speed would be enough to, like, I don't know, snap people's necks, I guess, for the deadly part. I know you said you wanted it deadly, but I don't know. I think it's pretty deadly enough. Let's see. But yeah, it accelerates. Bit of a slow start, but I thought that would be better. Um, yeah, that's about it. Nice little sand duney, ride. Thought it'd be pretty cool. Looks like it could be fun. And that's my project.